Hello everyone, welcome to the last video of the day, Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is a survey site. You can watch videos, you can do trial offers, you can shop, you can search, you can play games, and you can take surveys, okay? And you can watch videos. There's tons of things you can do on Swagbucks, but the main thing I do on here is I take the surveys. I'm a survey taker, I love taking surveys, and that's what I do. So as you can see, I have 301 Swagbucks. I've cashed out twice on this site. 3 times, I believe. Let me show you. Let me see. Order status. Let's check on that. So I show you guys that I've cashed out on this site. So I've cashed out twice on this site to find $5 to PayPal. So twice. Okay. So once I once I get up to 500 points, I'll be able to cash out another $5. So this basically is showing you that I cashed out twice, $5 to PayPal. Okay, so you guys can get paid to search the web. If you do your daily goal, you will get paid. You'll get points, and your points add up to Swagbucks. If you refer people, you get points. Watch videos, you get points. You can shop and get points. Scan receipts. There's tons of things you can do on here. But like I said, what I mainly do is I do the surveys, and you get 1 point per survey. Sometimes you get higher if they're feeling generous. They'll give you more points just for saying thank you. 5 points for trying out the survey. So let's go ahead and look at that right now. So let me click on answer. Sometimes you'll have like bonuses going on or a limited time where it'll give you Swagbucks plus an extra Swagbuck. So make sure you take advantage of that. Okay, so right here, it's showing you the surveys. So if I were to do this survey, I would get 1 point for this survey. Like I said, some featured means this is you most likely, sometimes you will qualify for these. But if you count these surveys and add them all up, you guys, see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 points you guys can be making a day. 1 point each survey. Like I said, it will go higher. Okay. Now, you can earn 2 Swagbucks for submitting receipts. Now, it doesn't matter what store you shop at. You can submit any store you shop at, like a 99-cent store, a Dollar Tree, Ralph's, any store. You guys can take a picture, receipt, and submit it. You get 2 Swagbucks for it if you're interested in doing that. Okay, and you get over here. They've added this. You can earn 2 Swagbucks for every 10 questions you answer. So if you guys want to do that, you can. Like I said, I take advantage of the surveys. Not too many people think that this can get you paid, but sometimes they have bonuses going where you can get 40 Swagbucks plus 100, and you might actually get, so that's 140 Swagbucks. So you guys want to take advantage of the surveys. The surveys are what really, really, really will help you in the long run. Okay? So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on redeem your Swagbucks. I'm not going to make this video long. I just want to make sure you guys understand how Swagbucks works. They have tons of gift cards. Okay, they're always adding new gift cards. But the main one we want to focus on here is you guys can cash out for a Visa gift card if you want. I mainly stick to PayPal. So I'm just showing you what gift cards they have available. They have Domino's, Hulu Plus. These are all the gift cards that Swagbucks offers. And then on here, most popular rewards. So if you guys want to cash out $25 to PayPal, you have to get 2,500 Swagbucks. And I'll let you know a secret. It's not really a secret, but it's easy to get this. There are offers, trial offers mainly, that you can do that'll get you 2,500 Swagbucks. It's just would depend on whether or not you want to do that. Okay? Truthfully, if this will get you $25, why not spend 10, $15 to get that? If you had to do a trial offer to get you 2,500 points, and you're only spending what, $15, I would do that just to get $25. Now, Amazon 500 points for swag for $5. You can do Amazon gift card. You can do $5. Now, a little note: this used to be 700 points, but they changed it to 500 Swagbucks. Made it a lot easier to cash out to. But 700 points to me was nothing because I was actually at almost 2,000 points, and I ended up cashing out my Swagbucks. And they have more over here. So let's go ahead and click on. Hold on one second. Okay, let's go ahead and click on this button here. So as you see, we have PayPal for $10. It's 1,000 points. So you have to get 1,000 Swagbucks to cash out $10 to PayPal. If you want $50, you have to get to 5,000 Swagbucks. If you want $100, you have to get 10,000 Swagbucks. And if you want 250 Swagbucks, you have to cash out 25,000 Swagbucks. Looks like 25,000. Yeah, 25,000 Swagbucks gets you $250. Okay, that's a lot of money, you guys, and that's a lot of work too. So you can do it. There are offers on here that will get you to 25,000 points. You just have to know which ones to choose. It's a lot of money, and this is something that you guys could use. So it takes maybe, let's see. You need to make sure your PayPal account is verified before you even sign up with Swagbucks. So make sure your PayPal account is verified first, or else you will not. You will have to go and verify it before you can request a payout. So make sure your PayPal account is verified first. Also, it takes I'd give it 3 days before you get paid. 1 to 3 business days. Okay. Let's see. It says it could allow 10 to 14 days for payment to be transferred. It doesn't take that long. It's just saying, just in case a delay happens, allow 10 to 14 business days. But most likely, I've only waited 3 days, maybe 24 hours at the most, but at the least, but 3 days at the most. Okay, so 1 day at the least you'll be waiting, or 3 days at the most. You should get your payout within the 3rd day. So just allow up to 3 days, and if you guys if there's a delay, allow up to 10 to 14 business days. Okay? So that's it for Swagbucks. I hope you guys really liked this video. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. I'll leave as far as me leaving the referral link to this site below, for some reason the link is not allowing me to put it on YouTube. So I'm going to share with you guys a way that you can sign up under me in a different way, so that way we won't be putting the link on YouTube anymore. But I will be making a video showing you where you can find the Swagbucks link to sign up under me if you choose to join Swagbucks. Okay, so if you are interested in joining Swagbucks, the link is below.